Hello class 10. In this video we will study about the chapter number 3rd, sexual reproduction in human being. In the last chapter we had studied that what is reproduction and about the reproduction in flowering plant. In this chapter we will study about the reproduction in human being, means how human being reproduce, how human being reproduce a new organism or new offspring. So first of all we have to know that human being are unisexual. जो human being होते हैं वो unisexual होते हैं. It means that can be only male or female. The growth, maintenance, function of the gonads, gonad it means reproductive organ, are regulated by gonadotropin secreted. It means gonadotropin हार्मोन, यानी कि जो गोनेड्स होते हैं मेल और फीमेल के जो रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन होते हैं उनका ग्रोथ, मेंटेनेंस एंड फंक्शन डिपेंड करता है गोनेडोट्रोपिन हार्मोन पर, जो कि सिक्रेट होता है बाय द हेल्प ऑफ पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड विच इज प्रेजेंट इन आवर ब्रेन. एसेंशियल ऑर्गन विच फॉर्म्स द गैमेट्स इज कॉल्ड प्राइमरी सेक्सुअल ऑर्गन. इट मीन्स बॉडी के वो ऑर्गन जो कि गैमेट्स फॉर्म करते हैं. इट मीन्स मेल है तो मेल के अंदर स्पर्म फॉर्मेशन होगा, फीमेल है तो फीमेल में ओवरी फॉर्म होता है. तो फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ओवरी और फॉर्मेशन ऑफ स्पर्म इज प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय प्राइमरी सेक्सुअल ऑर्गन. इन मेल प्राइमरी सेक्सुअल ऑर्गन इज टेस्टिस एंड इन फीमेल प्राइमरी सेक्सुअल ऑर्गन इज ओवरी. There is another type of sexual organ which are not responsible for the reproduction but perform important function. Like these are known as secondary sexual organ. If we talking about male, there is prostate, seminal vesicle, vas deferentia and penis are the secondary sexual organ. And if we talking about female, there is fallopian tube, uterus, vagina and mammary gland are the secondary sexual organs. In human being, we can find that who is male, who is female by this some external sex character. These external sex character known as secondary sex character. There is some characters which distinguish between male and female. General build-up more muscular and in women less muscular. Aggressiveness in male there is more marked but in female it is less marked. Hair growth it is more but in women it is not more. Facial hair growth on facial. Beard mostly present but in women beard is not present. Axillary there is present on axillary, no in a woman axillary hair are present. Pubic hair distribution more lateral and upward but in women upward growth not so marked is more. In male chest is present but in female chest is not present. In female breast is present except chest. Mammary gland undeveloped but in female mammary gland is developed because of breastfeeding. Skin is more hairy in male but less hairy in female. Shoulder broad in male and not broad in female. Pelvic is not broad in male but more broad in female. Larynx more apparent, less apparent in women. So the voice of the male is very harsh and the voice of the female is very sweet. Voice low pitch voice, high pitch voice in female. Breathing predominantly abdominal, predominantly thoracic in female. BMR body mass rate is high due to greater activity in male and not so high because of compared to male in female.